If you've been thinking about getting the Evergoods Civic Travel Backpack, well, you're in luck. Because in this video, we're going to be checking out the new CTB wax canvas and in its brand new sizes. But before we jump into the video, hey, what's up guys? This is Tjin from Oribags, and on this channel, we are all about coming up with product videos and tips to help you carry better and make better purchase decisions. So if this is your first time with us, please consider hitting that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell button too. So Evergoods just launched the CTB wax canvas in two new sizes, the 20-litre and 26-litre variants, right? So today we're going to be checking out the 26-litre variant, so let's dive in. Alright, so let's jump straight into the highlight of this bag, the material, right? Now, besides being an award-winning travel bag, the standout here in this model is definitely in the material, the P400 Wax C4. Now, this waxed canvas is a custom development made in collaboration with the historic Scottish mill Halley Stevensons. What makes it special? Well, it's durable, very durable, sustainable as well, and although it may feel really rigid right now, but it is adaptive. That is what's so special about the waxed canvas. So this basically means that the wax will actually adjust itself to its ambient temperature, becoming softer in warm weather and stiffer and more windproof in colder conditions. So if you're an avid traveler, I think you may definitely notice the difference. And like all great wax canvas materials, it actually gets better with age. That's right, the material will look better over time, with the wax developing its own unique marks, some slight creases over time as it's being used, giving the fabric even more character, uniquely you. Plus, the leather zipper pullers over here are sourced from Berger & Co., a 100-year-old supplier, right? So really awesome, giving the bag a real touch of craftsmanship and this very vintage look. All right, let's get into the features. Now, on the outside, let's start with this oversized stash pocket. Okay, I'm gonna just pop this right up and show you how it looks like on the inside. So this is an oversized stash pocket for quick access items, very sizable compartment. You can see my whole hand going in here. So this is an ideal space for definitely quick access items, smaller things, maybe your mobile phone, your wallet, and whatnot. Now, check this out. So I've got the Evergoods cap 0.5 litre, so this is a small pouch over here, and I wanted to show you how it fits. It can actually fit into this stash compartment, so voila, check this out, so roomy still. And next you have this side access pocket over here. So here it looks like on the inside. Now, side access pockets are generally designed for you to be able to access while you are carrying the bag. So if you have your backpack from the back, you would swing it over to the front and you'll be able to access this pocket easily. So on the inside, you'll find a key leash, red in color, very easy for you to spot. A zipper mesh pocket over here for smaller items that you want to keep in check, and two drop-in EDC pockets for easy organization. So this section over here is really more like an admin space. And on both sides of the bag, you'll find gusseted side pockets with hidden magnets that expand and retract. So this is great for standard size water bottles or small water bottles. I'm going to demonstrate to you with a pretty small, I think regular small size water bottle over here, just to show you how this fits. Okay, so as you can see, it fits in easily and beautifully as well. All right, no struggle there. And then I've got a wide-based Camelback 1 litre bottle over here. So yeah, this is going to be a bit of a struggle. So I wouldn't recommend anything wide-based, so something small or medium-sized will be really perfect for this area. All right, and up top here again, we've got a top yoke 3D pocket. So initially I was like a bit confused. I don't know why do they call it a 3D pocket. So after some Googling, we kind of found out that this is a pocket that kind of expands when it's being used, and it retracts or kind of like compresses when not in use. I hope I got that right. So that's why they call it a 3D pocket. All right, so I hope that was helpful. But anyway, yeah, so check this out. This is fully expanded, all right? This stash pocket over here. So it's very spacious, and I just want to show you again with the cap 0.5 liter pouch that it fits in beautifully in this pocket over here, and also zipping it up, wonderful, perfectly zipped up. All right, and next we're going to move on to the laptop compartment. But before I get there, I just wanted to draw your attention to these grab handles over here on the backpack. Definitely a must-have feature on any good travel bag. So you've got two very durable grab handles over here, one up top and one on the side. So the side ones are really handy, especially when you need to rotate or tilt your bag down like this. Very handy, makes the overall carry experience that much better. Okay, so yeah, let's check out the external separated laptop compartment over here. Now I really appreciate always that they separate out the laptop compartment, because it just makes airport security checkpoints that much easier and faster. All right, so let's check out this situation here. We've got a padded laptop sleeve, okay, very well padded. You've got a Velcro security tab over here. All right, and it's fully suspended as well from all sides to keep your laptop protected. Did I also mention that it fits devices and your laptops up to 17 inches? And then over here, this section, you've got a big old space over here for more documents, for more things that you need to just kind of carry with you. Time to check out the main compartment. So this bag opens up full clamshell style like this. Now this is almost a must-have feature for any good travel backpack, and just makes packing and accessing your belongings that much easier, giving you a full view of everything on the inside. So check this out, you're going to love the organization. It's simple, fuss-free, and yet highly functional. So over on this side, we've got a security pocket, so it's completely covered, keeps your valuables safe. You can opt to put your passport, your wallet, and any other important documents inside here. And then over here, we've got a zipper pocket, a mesh zipper pocket, very roomy as well. Check this out, all right? Okay, you can keep more accessories on the inside here. And over on this side, we've got a stretchy pocket that can hold books, folders, or even a light jacket. Now this entire space is versatile. You can pack it however way you like. It's also very spacious given it's a 26-liter backpack, and most importantly, it keeps everything in place. All right, so let's load up this bag and show you what fits. Now let's talk about comfort, which is very important and key in any travel backpack, right? So the back panel and the harness system, they are designed with an ergonomic fit in mind, all right? It's meant to like really flow with your body, and the straps are asymmetrically cut for a natural curve, and the foam shoulder pads, man, they are so thick, right? They are super well padded, providing cushion without adding too much weight. So it's still going to be very comfortable as you wear them. And the bag's frame sheet and aluminum side stay ensures that the bag maintains its structure even when it's fully loaded. And of course, no travel bag is complete without a sternum strap, a must-have feature for me in any travel bag, and a luggage pass-through. So let me just show you where this one is. It's right here. And that's it. That's all you need to know about the Evergoods Civic Travel Backpack in wax canvas 26 liter. The high-end wax canvas, the award-winning design, and lifetime warranty makes this bag a solid purchase for anyone looking for a reliable daily carry or travel companion. And now with a 20-liter and 26-liter option, you can make a better decision on which one suits you best. So if you don't need to have this much space like a 26-liter, or you don't really want to worry about whether your backpack is going to meet personal item sizes when you travel, or you just love the CTB as your everyday backpack, then you can surely opt for the 20-liter variant. So do let me know which size is for you, the 20-liter or this 26-liter right here. So I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys the next time on Oribags. Bye! Giving the fabric even more character, uniquely you.